Good day to one and all. I am Moganambal, English and Life Skill Trainer, Naipunya Vikasam, Vijayanagaram district. Now I am going to teach value of money. Before going to know value of money, let us know about history of money and currency various countries used, then value of money proverbs, then power of saving. Okay? In olden days, money was not printed. Grains were used for battering. Even in my small age, I used to give paddy for buying grocery from the shop. So, grains were used in olden days also. Afterwards, money was printed in silver coins. Afterwards, brass, gold, mixed of brass and gold, silver. Afterwards, 1661, Sweden country printed paper money first. That money was called currency. So different countries are used different currencies. India, Pakistan, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all these countries are used rupee. Some more countries are used money, Kuwaiti dinar in Kuwait. If we give 241 rupees 13 pice, they will give 1 Kuwaiti dinar. Likewise, Bahraini, Omani used to give real, 190 rupees 13 pice. Then if we go to Great Britain, pound, the money is called pound. If we give 94 rupees 81 pice, 1 pound will be given. Then if we go to European countries, all countries are having euro. Okay? 83 rupees 70 pice if we give, 1 euro will be given. Then US dollar. If we take China, yen, YUAN. Then if we take Japan, YEN. In world market, Japanese yen, Chinese yuan and US dollar, rupee, euro, these currencies are circulated broadly. Then if you want to know about proverbs of value of money, if you want to know the value of money, go and try to borrow some. Franklin says, if you want to know the value of money, go and borrow some money. Then another proverb says, never spend your money before you have earned it. Never spend your money before you have earned it. Then, money is not everything, but everything needs money. Money is not everything, but everything needs money. Then, money is good for nothing unless you know the value of money by experiencing. Money is good for nothing unless you know the value of money by experiencing. Okay, now I am going to tell a story. Here is two students are there. He is Raju, she is Beena. Both were going to their grandparents' house every month. They were greatly expecting pocket money. The pocket money was given, they used to spend what they wish. So this girl is wise girl. She used to buy storybooks, and this boy used to spend his money for buying toys and computer games. But the grandparents wanted to teach a lesson for saving money. So the power of saving. So that they have told after 6 months, one who is going to save more money, they will be rewarded. So that they have given the condition, 3 conditions. One is to save a pot of money. Second condition was that to spend a pot of money but wisely. Third condition was to write down the spending. See, once again I tell that 3 conditions to power of saving. One condition is to save money, to save a pot of money. Another second condition was that to spend a pot of money but wisely. Third one was that to write down the spending. Okay? So, this girl started to buy storybook once in 3 months, so that she saved money, part of the money, and spent the money for storybooks and buying materials for her school project work. But this boy didn't bother anything. He was going on buying toys and computer games. After 3 months, this girl told like that, Raju, see, I have more money than 10 of you. So I am going to be a winner of the competition. But this Raju told, hey, hereafter I also going to save money. Hereafter I won't spend it. So after 3 months, next to 2 months, he is spending his money very carefully. He started to save the money. One day his friend came and recommended a computer game. He could not able to hold his excitement. He went and bought the game so that he was penniless. Both were going to school and returning home from the school. That time they met his friend Sanju. He was crying bitterly near the medical shop. Both went and talked to him and asked what was the reason for crying. He told his mother is seriously ill, so that he need money to buy the medicines urgently. This boy put his hand on his pocket, saw no money. But this girl told he had piggy bank and went to home and brought money, paid the medical bill. Now almost 6 months old, over, then they went to their grandparents' house and they narrated the journey of saving money. The grandparents were very happy how kind God Veena heart, so that they declared Veena is a winner of that competition. So afterwards, both were started to save the money. So now in this Corona days also, we have to spend part of the money and save a part of money for our coming days, and we have to write down the account for the spending. Dear, please give the comments regarding the moral of the story, and one more activity also there. Their parents started to clean their racks. They were full of storybooks, toys and computer game. So they told, you have to get rid of all the books. Otherwise hereafter no more buying new books or toys. Finally, they have wanted to use their collection in good use. So what are the ideas you want to give to use their collection to spend for other children? Okay, thank you.